What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button. That way you don't miss any of the videos. So for today, I want to go ahead and try the Meguiars Heavy Duty Headlight Restorer Kit on my headlights, because I noticed that they were actually starting to get a little yellow, especially on the right hand side. So actually, I'm getting a second use out of this product, because the first time that I used it was last week. I ended up doing my sister's headlights because they were pretty bad. So I wanted to go ahead and just try it out on my vehicle, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts at the end of the video. All right, guys. So something I wanted to mention here. This was a little bit. This is like the scariest part, just because I didn't know exactly how much product to use, and it looks like I'm putting a lot, but it lets out a little bit at a time. And basically, what I did is, like, as much as I could see the liquid on the foam applicator, kind of like spreading it out on the line. I just put just a little bit more because you don't want to saturate it too much, because obviously if you saturate it, then it's probably going to start dripping. So in this case, it did pretty good. My guesstimation was well. So here's a little before and after. And as you can see right here on this one, was a clear difference. So I was really impressed with this product, and I thought it did an excellent job. Really easy to use. Altogether, it took about 30 minutes to do. Alright guys, if you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.